Hello everybody, this is Animals Healthcare and today is a very special day because we are having a very special update that after finally staying at our guest house, 3 new members, that is there's Shadow, Golden and Rose. Okay, so today they are going to get a new house with a new owner. I just post on our Facebook group and Facebook account, and pet feeders just contact with me to ask to adopt these 2 babies, Golden and Rose. Okay, so this is the last update for them. So now we are going to take them to the new owner. So we will meet the new owner of these 2 babies. Okay, let's go. So there is only Shadow left and staying at our guest house, but I will continue to find a new house for him. Okay, so let's go.
Meow meow meow. Meow meow meow.
Okay everybody, so just take a little time to see back how we saved these 3 baby kittens. 1 week ago we has got a message from a girl. She has 3 baby kittens. They are very tired and they have sick, I mean serious sickness. So they call us to ask for help because she cannot take care of them. She is going to leave for a work in about 2 weeks, so she cannot take care of these 3 baby kittens. So we has came and adopt these 3 baby kittens. And you know that during the time staying at our guest house, I and my veterinarian tried our best to doing treatment for them because they got sick. They got dehydration, so we had to do the rehydration for them and also give them the medicine to get stronger and get over the sickness. So very lucky that after just 2 days they become strong and healthy. They can play, run and have normal activities like normal kittens and cats. So because of they get better, so I decided to find a new house for them. So I have posted on my Facebook and in some of our animals lover group on Facebook. So some members on there has contacted me to ask adopting our kittens, and this is a very good thing.
Tẩy run lần 2. Nó về bọn này nó về nó nhát, có thể nó sẽ bỏ ăn 1-2 bữa đấy em nhé.
Đây là bụng. Bụng nó màu trắng.
Cái ống này anh mặc áo nó à?
Ừ. Anh mặc từ hôm mấy hôm lạnh để. Nhà em ở chỗ nào vậy?
Em bên Đồng Hỷ.
Đồng Hỷ hả? Ok rồi đây, điện thoại về đâu?
Đi chơi rồi. Hôm nay được biết cái.
Okay, so yes, mission complete. Mission completed. Our kitten Shadow just get new house after Rose and Golden. Exactly, they are not in the same house, but they have the second chance to live after being rescued and doing treatment at our cat's house. So this is a very, very great news with all of us. So that can say, and that can help us to, I mean, that is our best motivation to keep rescuing more and more kittens and cats in Vietnam and give them the second chance to stay in this planet, in this world. So thank you guys. Thank you so much for following and support me and our cat's house. And because of your support, that is another our motivation to keep doing this work. So thank you so much. Thank you very, very much for your love and caring with animals healthcare. Thank you. I'm very happy. That's very, very emotional with me today. So any donations from you guys will help us a lot to keep this work, to rescue more kittens and cats, and to keep feeding them, take caring for them, okay, and help them to get stronger and healthier. So this is animals healthcare. We are trying our best to rescuing more kittens and cats and even dog and puppy in Vietnam, and as much as we can. So if you are animal lovers, so let's join with us to make this animal world to be more beautiful and being better. Thank you so much, and see you in next video about rescuing animals, update for our cat's house and others. Thank you so much. See ya.